The XMind Unity intraoral X-ray machine is the successor of the XMind DC, the very popular dental X-ray machine from Sadilek, a division of Acteon Group. The XMind Unity combines elegant design with proven quality and cutting-edge patented technology that determines the minimum radiation necessary in each situation to produce crystal-clear images for you. You might say that XMind Unity and the Sopix Inside digital sensor combine to make a perfect union. XMind Unity is pre-wired for direct integration with Sopix Inside, which can either be connected at the time of installation or at any time thereafter. Thanks to this pre-wiring, connecting Sopix Inside to the XMind Unity is so effortless that you'll be able to do it without any technical assistance at all. Just plug and play. And because the products are designed to go together, the end result is visually attractive without any visible cables or external wiring. A major advantage of the XMind Unity system is the way it uses the patented ACE technology that's in the Sopix Inside sensor to reduce your patients' as well as office staff's radiation exposure. For each image, Sopix Inside does a real-time analysis of the form and structure of the patient's teeth and uses this data to determine the minimum amount of X-ray emission necessary to produce a perfect image. The result? You get excellent images every time, and your patients and staff are exposed to less radiation as compared to other intraoral X-ray systems. After each exposure, the dose of radiation received by your patient appears on the timer screen. To ensure permanent traceability, this information is recorded in the patient's file in the SoPro imaging software. The XMind Unity features an advanced ergonomic design and intuitive grip. Your staff members will be able to move the XMind Unity with just one hand. The arm's movement is fluid, making it easy to get the head into proper position for each image without any effort or straining. XMind Unity was also designed with an anti-vibration and anti-movement mechanism that keeps the unit steady and still while each image is being produced. The intuitively designed holder keeps the sensor within easy reach for optimal working comfort while eliminating the danger that it will fall or break. Of course, an intraoral X-ray machine is only as useful as the quality of the images it produces. While most dental X-ray machines have a 0.7 mm focal spot, the XMind Unity has the smallest available focal spot, 0.4 mm, as well as several configurable radiological settings. These parameters combine to give you sharp, highly contrasted images with very clearly defined contours for extremely reliable diagnoses. The control panel of the XMind Unity is intuitive and easy to use, with a large, clear LCD screen that enables your team members to see the main parameters even when standing at a distance. The memory function lets you modify the pre-programmed exposure times to adapt to the specifications of your sensor or film. The exposure parameters are each adjusted based on the type of tooth being X-rayed and patient morphology. The main parameters, kilovolts, milliamps, type of film, and ACE selection when using Sopix Inside, are all displayed. Simultaneously press the minus and plus buttons and the dose is displayed as well. Other buttons make it simple to select the exam type, either occlusal or bite wing. To take an X-ray, simply push the button on the integrated firing switch. If you prefer, a remote firing switch is also available. The XMind Unity can accommodate any operatory configuration. Whether top mount or bottom mount, 3 different available arm lengths give you unparalleled installation flexibility. No need to compromise. Install the XMind Unity exactly the way it will work best in your operatory. And if you ever need to replace older XMind equipment, XMind's adaptable wall plate eliminates the need for additional drilling on the wall. With the XMind Unity, Sadilek, a division of Acteon Group, has created an intraoral X-ray machine that combines with the Sopix Inside sensor to give you a host of benefits. Radiation emissions that are automatically adjusted in real time based on the patient morphology for each X-ray. Clear, crisp images. An ergonomic design that provides stability and makes the equipment a pleasure to use. An intuitive control panel. And installation flexibility. All in an aesthetically pleasing machine that will look great in your clinic. XMind Unity, combined with Sopix Inside, gives you everything you're looking for in an intraoral X-ray machine.